Today you're joining me for a ride in this classic Gladiator. From where I'm sitting, looking down this hood, the beautiful dash and the timeless steering wheel, you have it in your mind, your expectation is for it to drive like a 60-year-old vehicle with leaf spring suspension, pressing the gas and barely getting any more movement forward, and the brakes having to plan out a mile ahead. But it's quite the opposite. It's a nice, tight steering. The gas pedal is plenty of power, and then those powerful brakes stop on point. It's such a wild ride.